Hi everyone, I am Adi. Welcome to my channel WebTech City. We learn, build and grow together. If this video helps you, please like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on notification for more video tutorials. Thank you. So now let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create a website using AI tools in minutes. So let's get started. At first open your browser and type Gemini and click on it. So right now we are here. This is interface of Gemini AI tools. This is prompt. Whatever we give the instruction in the prompt, and Gemini will give us the solution. Okay, so let's see. And now we are creating a basic website. So we'll give instruction to create a website. I have a prompt. I wrote it the text before because this is long text. That's why. So look the prompt. You are an expert web designer and front-end developer. I want you help me create a complete modern website step by step using free AI tools. Project: build a professional website for a digital agency. Requirement: modern, clean design, full responsive, mobile and desktop, professional UI UX. First, loading layout, website section, hero section, about section, service section, pricing section, FAQ section, testimonial section. So in the online you will get a lot of prompt how to write, how to create website, and so you will collect, and as your needs you can correction and paste it and submit. Let's see what is happening. So Gemini is working for us. Wait until finish the task. See, Gemini is already working for us. If you want to make this kind of website, you need 2-3-4 days. Even you will be face lot of problem about design, about coding, about structure. So Gemini is giving you this website in a minute. Just you have to copy and upload in your server. Website is ready. Just you have to correction as you needs. Just I'm giving you idea how to use AI tool to create website, and even you can create image, video, whatever you need. Okay, but remember, you can use these AI tools as a helping hand. You can't use every day whatever you want, because at first you have to learn about web development. If you want to be a video editor, you have to know what is video, how to create video and format, many things. So if you want to be a developer, you have to know everything about web design development. Then you can use, you can copy, you can paste, you can correction. Just you can minimize your time. Okay, just you need 1 hour to complete a website if you have experience. Okay, so I am just trying to giving you the idea. So let's see what is here. Okay, they give us 2 separate file. So if we ask Gemini like give me full code in a single page and submit, here is complete production. So now download the code and open and double click on it. So see, the website is ready. Look, so beautiful. If you click on about, it's scrolling to about, services, pricing, FAQ, get started. So right now if you want to create this kind of basic website, just after download the website, you have to change your logo, you have to change your text as your needs. Just review all the website and change as your needs. Okay, now this is static website, you can simply upload after correction. So nowadays it's really easy to work. Just you have to know everything, you have to update. Okay, you have to know how to use AI tools. I hope you are now very clear how to use AI tool to create a website. If you go go for advanced tools like Cloud AI. Lot of AI tools in the online. You can analyze, you can search. If you pay, you will get everything: database, front end, back end, professional design, correction, everything you can do. Just you have to learn, you have to know how to use, and just finish your study about web design and development. And sorry, and when everything is ready, when you have a all skill, just you have to use the AI tool. Just a minute, it will give you magic. That's it. So thank you. I hope you are very clear. So see you in the next video, how to upload a website in the server. So you can visit your domain and you can see your website live. Thank you very much.